How to protect yourself and others from getting sick. Protection is better than cure. Frequently wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds, with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Cover your mouth and nose with a disposable tissue or flexed elbow when sneezing or coughing. Throw tissue into closed bin immediately after use. Avoid close contact with anyone who has a fever or cough. Seek early medical help if you have a fever, cough and difficulty breathing. Do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth if your hands are not clean. Stay at home, stay safe, stay home, save lives. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Tresor Studio 3D.